the first pass. Second pass is complete. Here's the third pass. Leave about 10 inches or so, the foot. Hold it tight. Little stakes here. And 30, and then right here is 10 inches, and 30, 10, 30, 10. Put the manure. Two bags per row. The beds are 30 inches, and right in the middle of that is 36 on both sides, so I'm going to cut it right down the middle. Kind of give some tension. Pull it. Put staple here, pull it, staple in the corner, staple in the corner. I'm putting them in, and then I'm going to hammer them. On one side I have them every foot. And only like a couple on the other side because I'm going to test the water. I have the tarp covering the main line so I can quick, easy access, but it covers it from the sun.